Welcome to Astral Kinetics. We'll be talking about the hook kick today. Similar to throwing a hook, except it's with a kick. Let's get started. Easy step right here. If you've learned how to do a side kick by now, you should know how to put your leg up, keep it flat, like this. That's all we're doing, is chambering that leg up to the side first. Okay? Keep balance. You want to hold this position if you can, because you want to be confident and sturdy here. Okay. Now that you're raising your leg to the side like this, you want to hook. Similar to a hook when I'm throwing this. All right, see that motion? It's going this way. Same thing here. That's a hook kick. There's different angles you can take it on, right? You can go up high, go down low, you can go diagonal. But first, start off here. You're gonna hook, bring that leg around and back to you. Around and back, around and back. One more time, around and back. And stomp down. You don't have to stomp down, but just place that foot down to the ground afterwards. And what's this hook kick good for? It's good for a lot of different things. Maybe you're throwing some combinations here, but you get punched and knocked. Now you ended up like this. Okay, but you see an opening still on the side of the face, the side of the body. This is when you throw the hook kick. Because if you come around with a regular hook, it's a lot of distance to travel. So if you're already off to your side a little bit, perfect time for a hook kick. Which you shouldn't really be off to your side anyway. You should be in your fighter stance. Just saying, if you are, take advantage of every position. Okay? Another good use of a hook kick. I've had situations where I'm battling it out with someone and they're not really backing away, I'm not backing away. We're just here in the pocket, hitting each other. And I end up in a position like this, similar to what I was talking to you about, but I just want to get some distance and I want to reset my mentality, reset everything, be in control of the game again. So when we're here fighting, and I want to reset and get some distance, hook kick. I'm not sure if you saw on the camera, but I did kind of spin it around. Okay, don't spin it around. And if you do, make sure you're going back, not forward, because now you're putting your back against the bag, the opponent. Okay, so get your distance, reset. Use your long legs. If you're finding this interesting, like the video. Last final tip to touch this up. You want to still pivot on your foot that's planted. So if I'm lifting this leg up, I'm pivoting this way to the outside to get some twist in my kick. You can't pivot inside. You can try, it won't work. You pivot outside and you create more of an angle to then hook around with your kick. All right, and there you saw, I didn't really have good balance and I landed like this with my back against the bag. That's all right, you'll find yourself that way. Either come back or follow through with the spin, but spin out here, spin back, not forward. Let's go a little higher. Woo! Just pushing my limits there. You don't know your limits until you push them. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know what you're wanting to learn. Thank you again. Happy holidays to everyone out there. Stay safe.